Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 2nd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir up 84 cents. So we did not go down towards support right here. We did not go down. We just went and started that thing up. So great strength. And by doing this, oh yeah, so we closed up 84 cents, closed at 9:30, post-market down a little bit. So we broke $9. So we broke $9. So this is pretty significant. And we also have stochastic over 60. So that's another good milestone. I'm really tempted to buy this thing here. Of course, this is getting closer to this resistance right here. We could be pulling back over 9, and that would not be too bad. And we could be still pulling back a little bit. These horizontal resistance are interesting, but what I find sometimes is that they can hit us, they can bite us in the butt. Because stocks tend to have a diagonal uptrend and downtrend. And if you pick the wrong horizontal resistance, then you can get whipsawed easily, because whipsawing is what the stock is doing. It's whipsawing up and down when it's going into an uptrend or downtrend. So if you pick a horizontal resistance, depending on the one, and it's hard to know in advance, sometimes you can whipsaw a lot. So 843 did not whipsaw at all, because we came up to 843 and we stayed below, and then when we crossed it, then we did not cross it back. This is what happened here. So $9, we don't know yet if it's what type of horizontal resistance it is going to be. So is it going to be a one that would make us whipsaw or not? So if you want to buy now with Palantir, I would not specifically buy because we broke 9. I think that breaking 9 is significant, is nice, it's significant, but I would buy it because stochastic is over 60 and there is strength in the stock. Boom. This is how I would approach this thing here. And yeah, so there's resistance right here, and there's resistance right here, and there's support right here. So logically, if you buy here, you should be able to wait. You should be able to suffer the stock going down to support and going back up. If you buy here at 9:30, you should be able to suffer it going to 8:50, because this is the pattern the stock is in, and the stock is entitled to do anything it wants between these two lines. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.